Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. I think it's a little bit after 7 o'clock. So I want to take just a couple minutes real quick to say, guys, thank you so much for helping me hit 500. I never thought my little measly channel would ever reach that. So that is a pretty cool achievement. I know it's a small achievement, but every milestone counts. So thank you for helping me hit 500. That's pretty sweet. And, just commenting, liking, disliking, which whatever, it all helps. So I do appreciate it. It's been kind of a ride so far. Definitely a lot of learning curves. So I think for the most part, we've been doing okay. That I think, you improve over time. So I've learned a lot. I think talking to a camera is still a little bit awkward for me. For some reason, even harder when people are around. So I don't do that very often. But I want to say thank you because the support is pretty neat to think that there's 500 people out here that have suckered into at least, subscribing. So I appreciate it. I'm going to continue to try to do pretty decent things anyways and try to improve to where I can do really good content. But it's all a learning game and I'm trying to figure this out. So, thank you for being there. Y'all may have noticed on the last couple of shorts, I mentioned a $5 bet. It was a race to 500 subscribers with a guy at work. And so that got fairly close because he started off quite a bit behind me before we ever decided to even try it. And he started posting, shorts that was like, trash talking, let's beat this car channel, don't make me pay this guy, and it got kind of heated. He was growing really quickly. And so I was like, uh-oh, I gotta get myself in gear. So I went ahead and kind of learned how to, branch out and push your channel a little bit. So it's been pretty cool. It's kind of been a neat learning experience because I've learned how to help myself grow and to see how to put yourself out there. So I've learned a few things from it, but most importantly, we brought home that $5. Now I'm gonna try not to spend it all at one place, which is about freaking impossible today. He didn't want to give it away, but I'll gladly take it. Sorry, Will. But I don't know. I may keep it and just frame it and stick it on the wall so the next time he ever comes over here, he has to look at his $5 on the wall. So I haven't decided what's going to go on with that yet. But as far as his channel goes, he's William Fishing. I'll put his channel right here. So if you like fishing, motorcycles, crappy dad jokes, check him out. Because, he does some pretty cool stuff. And like I said, he's doing the same thing. He's just trying to get his footing and figure out how this all works. So check him out, show him some support if you're into that kind of thing, and hopefully he'll get to 500. I think he's at 485, something like that, last I checked. So I've got 500 of you, and I totally appreciate it. Like I said, we're going to continue to try to grow, and we're going to continue to try to get this thing done so I can work on this one and this one. So just hang in there. Thank you so much for 500, and I'll see you guys in the shop next time. See ya.